As you can see, I am recording this whole thing, video and audio, from my iPad. And the reason I'm doing this, because in case you haven't noticed, I am using a mouse. I'm also using a keyboard as well. To show off that, we'll go into here. This was one of my to-do list things, but I kind of lost track of it. But we will type the quick brown fox jumps something. I'll be honest, I forgot the rest of it, but yeah, that keyboard typing, just typing away, and Warframe. I'm just typing in random stuff at this point to show you guys. And yeah, we can go back to the home screen. There's for my video I did about the Stream Deck and whatnot. The reason I'm making this video is because I want to show you guys that this can be a sort of alternative to something like the Magic Keyboard. Because the Magic Keyboard, for those of you guys that don't know, the Magic Keyboard case, it does technically double as a case or whatever, but it doesn't, it's not needed, okay? This setup works pretty fine. My iPad is currently charging. This is the iPad Pro M1, by the way. But what you can do is you can hook a Bluetooth mouse to it, a Bluetooth keyboard, as I've done, and that is a cheaper alternative. And buy a cheap stand. I'll put all of those in the description. So you can pick them up if you want. The stand, I believe I got for like $10-15. The keyboard, I actually got for $100. It's the MX, Logitech Master MX keys thing. And then the mouse I actually also got for $100. So there's 200 right there. 200, maybe 250. And I know what you're thinking. You're not saving a lot of money, are you? Well, that's where you're wrong, okay? Because these keyboard and mouses are special in the sense that they actually have their own configs, or whether they have three memory banks, I guess you could call them. And what they do, in addition to letting you program special stuff with keys, what they do is they actually let you have three, each of them. The mouse get three and the keyboard get three, for a total of three, just on each. Well, anyway, configs, like I use a Mac and a PC for my game recording, video editing, all that stuff. So I have my Mac on one of the banks. I have my PC on the other one. And now I have this iPad Pro on the third one. And as I mentioned, it's pretty simple to set up. You just go into settings and then click on Bluetooth and then just pair the devices. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Alternatively, you can use most, um, as far as I know, you can use most anyway, Bluetooth capable devices, wireless Bluetooth devices to pair, but I feel like these that I am talking about, the MX keys and the MX Master is actually going to be the better choice because of the fact that you can be using them on other devices as well. You don't have to only use them on one particular device, or worse, have to repair them to different devices every single time you move about to something else. So yeah, those are just my thoughts. The only downside of this method is it's not really a method that will, if you travel a lot, it's probably not for you. Because if you travel a lot, you're probably better off getting the Magic Keyboard, which I'll also put a link to in the description below if you rather get that. Because of the simple fact that this method isn't really meant for like hardcore traveling places and whatnot. It's more of a method to just to like go in another room of your house or something, get some work done, maybe while you're lying in bed or whatnot, without having to dedicate a whole lot to whatnot. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below. Is this a method you're interested in trying, or are you just too big of a fan of going places and getting work done while you're like at the airport or in a Starbucks or something like that? Let me know your thoughts, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.